Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off mobile hotspot on Windows 11. So very simple and easy way to turn on or turn off. Open the settings. My baby is dancing. Now click on network and internet. And in this list guys you will find this setting mobile hotspot. Share your internet connection. You can make it on or off by selecting this setting to on or off. To make it on, slide the setting to on. To make it off, slide the setting to off position. And once you click on it, so you will see these all options. Can select Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Power saving. When no device are connected, automatically turn off mobile hotspot. So make it on to save battery on Windows 11. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.